Unleashing the Maverick. Understanding a unique English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we have a fascinating topic to discuss. The phrase, maverick. This is a term you might have come across in books, movies, or everyday conversations, and it has a really interesting origin and usage. So, let's dive in and explore what maverick truly means and how you can use it in your English conversations. Maverick is a noun in English, and it refers to a person who thinks and acts independently, outside of established conventions or norms. Mavericks are often seen as non-conformists, and they are not afraid to stand alone with their beliefs, opinions, or decisions, even if they go against the crowd. The term can have both positive and negative connotations, depending on the context. The word maverick has a unique and specific origin. It dates back to the 19th century in Texas, USA, where a rancher named Samuel Maverick decided not to brand his cattle. In those times, branding was a common practice to mark ownership of cattle. Since Maverick's cattle were not branded, any unbranded cattle found wandering were often called mavericks. Over time, the term evolved to describe someone who is unorthodox or independent in their thinking and behavior. Now, let's see how we can use maverick in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. Steve Jobs was considered a maverick in the technology industry, always thinking out of the box and coming up with innovative ideas. 2. Maria is a maverick at work. She always finds unique solutions to problems that no one else can think of. 3. Even though his maverick ways often got him into trouble, John was respected for his independent thinking. Notice that on all these sentences, maverick is used to describe a person with innovative, independent, and unconventional ways of thinking or behaving. That's it for today's video on the phrase, maverick. I hope you found it informative and interesting. Remember, being a maverick can be a great thing. It means you're not afraid to think for yourself and forge your own path. Don't forget to practice using your new vocabulary in your conversations and writings. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.